I'm sorry to bother you, but I'm calling about my new refrigerator.
Is it running okay?
Chico!
Oh, it's definitely running. And stomping and smashing. Oh, Chico, I think it may have turned into a giant robot.
A giant robot? Are you sure? The Frosty Fridge 4000 wasn't designed to turn into a giant robot. Mrs. Coleslaw, we're on our way! Fix it, Force! Time to bring the awesome!
Chico Bon Bon! Rainbow Thunder! Lark! Tiny!
Force 1 activated.
Breaking news. Blunderberg's Big Chill. I'm Neil Ostrich, your beak on the very frigid street. Things are getting chilly as it appears a giant robotic refrigerator is turning Blunderberg into an iceberg. Things that are usually warm are suddenly becoming quite cold. And things that are usually cold are becoming totally frozen. And if that wasn't enough, this robot also tells jokes.
What did one popsicle say to the other popsicle?
What?
Ice to meet you. Ha, ha, ha.
He really landed that joke. And that ice cube. What can't this robot do?
I must have pressed that button a few too many times. Oh, I guess my Fridgie had a bit of a growth spurt.
Nice work, Mrs. Coleslaw. You found a mistake in the design we didn't test for.
If I can get close enough, I can turn off his power. Launching Clarkcopter now! Come on, copter claws!
How do you get a squirrel to like you?
How?
Act like a nut. Ha, ha, ha.
Peanuts!
Monkey with a tool belt.
The banana phone!
Chico Bon Bon, you got a problem? We can solve them.